Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. Okay, our Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on anything new posted. Last weekend we had a small picnic with some friends, so today I'm gonna show you how I carved the watermelon for that one. So, let's go. Here's what you'll need. Seriously, I'm not kidding. Using a damp paper towel, wipe the watermelon clean. Once it's clean, cut the round edges. It should look something like this. Now just cut the watermelon in a checkerboard pattern, about 1 to 2 inches thick. I have no idea why my camera was shaking like that. You can serve the sticks on a platter for a party or in a container for a picnic. I know people enjoyed it on our get together, so let me know in the comments below how many compliments you got for this one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!